If you just picked up an Enjoy Pool Care kit, you're in for an easy, hands-off summer. We recommend this kit to all of our customers because it's really that easy and we use it at our pools at home. Let's dive in. Enjoy is a monthly two-step system that uses up to 80% less chlorine than traditional pool care without sacrificing water quality. It works with any filter and it's available in 5 sizes based on your pool's gallon capacity: 10,000, 15,000, 20,000, 25,000, and 30,000. If your pool is in between sizes, just round up to the next size. There are only 2 products and 2 simple steps. The once-a-week powder gets added once a week, and the silver briquettes go in once a month. Easy. Before starting, make sure your water is balanced. This sets you up for the best results. Check out our other videos for information on how to dial the perfect numbers for your specific pool. The silver briquettes go directly into your skimmer, just once a month. No floaters, no daily tabs. Just drop them in with the pump running. Then, add once a week into your skimmer every week. This keeps your water crystal clear and breaks down organic buildup. Be sure your pump is running when you add it. Pro tip, set a weekly reminder. Most kits include 4 weeks worth of once a week, so you'll always know when it's time to redose. The amount of product varies depending on the kit size. For example, the 15,000 gallon kit comes with 3 silver briquettes and 4 canisters of once a week. You'll use 1 canister each week. The 30,000 gallon kit includes 6 briquettes and 12 smaller bags of once a week, 3 per week. The steps don't change, only the quantity does. Just keep your water balanced and let Enjoy do the rest. It's really that easy.